Gonna be a different video, and today we're gonna be looking at ding 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 ding. We have another topic. So I've kind of shifted from mapping to Roblox, gaming, space simulator, now astronomy. And now today we'll be looking at my fictional planets, the stats. This is Diteria, also known in the JRU language as the Desert Falk. Desert Falk. Or Desert Falk. It's called Desert Falk, but there's not a rod in here. Used to be uninhabitable. Now it's 46% terraformed. About 6 billion years ago, the planet had a runaway greenhouse effect. So basically, it means that the planet is basically like Venus about 6 billion years ago. But when the JRUs first evolved, the JRU civilization, when the JRU civilization first evolved, and it was about 1.5 billion years ago. So this terraforming was very recent, like 100 million years ago. So it took a while because the planet was very close to Labyrinth, the star. It's an orange dwarf, very smaller than the sun, and it's colder. So the planet is orbiting at the Mercury-like distance. The planet is orbiting between Venus and Mercury if it was put on our sun. If it was put on our solar system, this planet would be scorching. Yeah, with that fake atmosphere right here. As you can see, we have city lights right here. That's the JRU civilization terraforming. And right around these rivers, there's actually a base that used to be the first area that was landed by the JRU. So about 1.5 billion years ago, this little river right here was the area that where Veronia 1 landed. And after that, about 94 minutes after that, it began to scorch and they lost contact with the mission control back in Loharis. So this is very cloudy. These are liquid water. The photo was captured in. There's actually 5 seasons in it. Then the other one was Windsor. Stands for. I think in English it's pronounced. It's Windsor. It basically happens between summer and winter. So, basically call it, I don't know. But these rivers are pretty important because these rivers only flow in Windsor. But in the summer, a few months from now in March, probably these rivers will dry up as the planet gets scorched. That's a very bad thing that can happen to it. Also, the years are a bit shorter, but the days are 48 hours long, or about 2 days here on Earth. So, if you want to sleep, the night here would take about 24 hours. So, 24 plus 4 equals 48. So that means it will take a while. Like 1 day on Earth here, 1 day night, you have to sleep with it. 1 day night right here, you have to be awake. So, there's a lot of activities you can go. School hours in this world are gonna be 15 hours long. Or on some areas of the planet, they're 12 hours long. So, that means if you want to learn astronomy, you can have a lot of time planning it. You can have a lot of time with it. If you want to learn about photosynthesis, you can have a lot of time with it. So basically, it's just whatever works, I guess. But the planet doesn't know, so let's go. The stats, it's scorching hot, basically. I mean, the temperature here is 29 degrees Celsius. Wow, it's pretty hot. The population here is 2 billion. Wow. So that's it for Diteria.